the golden morning light, Babobo stretches his wings high above the forest, embracing the peace of another hopeful day. His heart beats in sync with the trees, the earth, and every creature that calls this place home. He tiptoes along a delicate branch, playfully greeting ants on dew-speckled leaves, a simple joy in the rhythm of nature. Babobo hums softly to the bees as they dance from flower to flower. Here, harmony is the language of life. Down by the creek, Babobo watches his little ones play in the sparkling water. He knows these memories are the treasures he'll carry forever. But the warmth in his chest flickers. He looks out across the forest with concern, sensing something is off, something distant and heavy. He perches quietly as golden dust drifts through the trees. A storm is coming, not wind, not rain, but change. Deep beneath the earth, the roots begin to shimmer. The forest's ancient lifelines glow, but they tremble too. Babobo rises into the sky. From above, he sees it clearly now. He lands beside his chicks. He must protect them. The forest spirit must endure for them. Hope still blossoms. Around a tiny sapling, the forest animals gather. Babobo stands tall. Together, they plant the future. Far away in the city, Dadodo sips his coffee, unaware. To him, the trees are just lines on a construction plan. Babobo and Dadodo, a bird of nature, a man of ambition. Two worlds unaware of the storm they will soon share. In the nest, Babobo works tirelessly. Every twig, every leaf, carefully placed. Home must be safe, but he's not alone. His partner joins him, their wings brushing as they build. Laughter fills the air. Their chicks burst with joy as the family feasts. It is a moment of abundance, of togetherness, of love. Meanwhile, Dadodo's family smiles too, sharing dinner in their high-rise home. Warmth lives here too, for now. But the glow dims. Devices replace conversation. Dadodo glances at his watch. Time slips quietly away. Babobo feeds his chicks from his beak. Dadodo, staring at market charts, absent-mindedly eats a cold meal. Babobo sings a lullaby beneath the moon, wrapped in his family's wings. Dadodo faces endless notifications under the same moonlight. One nest is full, the other hollow. As roots glow beneath Babobo's perch, Dadodo clutches building plans. The forest's fate and the city's hunger connected, opposites, yet destined to meet. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for next video.